always tell my team THRIVEpalooza is something you do not want to miss. This is where your cup is going to get refilled.
Gosh, when you're there, the energy is amazing. You see the almost impossible become possible in front of your face.
Everything about it is incredible, like the motivational speakers, watching people walk across stage, watching your 200Ks go up there, watching like the awards they give out.
THRIVEpalooza is extremely fun. Honestly, just an energy and a vibe that sometimes you can't really put into words unless you're in that room.
So much good energy.
Being able to go and learn from the best and be a part of something so incredible, I'm excited.
That love, that teamwork, that empowerment.
It was just an explosion of knowledge and a huge party as well. Not like any convention that I've ever been to.
Palooza made it real for me, and I cannot wait to go back.